In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a connected workspace in Notion. 5 minutes. Let's start right at the beginning. Log into Notion so we're working inside your workspace. If you're brand new, the default layout is fine. We'll shape it as we go. Begin by creating dedicated spaces for each department or function, plus one called General for company-wide knowledge. You can do this with team spaces or top-level pages in the sidebar. Keep names short and consistent, and set clear permissions so each team sees what they need while shared content remains accessible in general. Next, set up your master databases, the backbone of a connected system. Create a company wiki for standard operating procedures, guidelines, and onboarding materials. Add properties like owner, category, and last reviewed so content stays trustworthy and easy to filter. Then create a project tracker to manage projects, tasks, and roadmaps. Useful properties include status, priority, owner, target date, and a simple checkbox for blocked. Finally, build a meeting notes database to capture agendas, decisions, and action items. Give it properties like date, attendees, and follow-ups. Templates are your friend here. Create a meeting note template with a consistent structure so every entry is uniform. Now, connect everything with relations. In the project tracker, add a relation to meeting notes so you can attach discussions and decisions to the projects they affect. Add another relation to the company wiki, linking a project to relevant SOPs or guidelines. With those links in place, use roll-ups to display useful summaries. For example, roll up the latest decision from related meetings into a project page or count open action items so status is visible at a glance without manual copying. When you need the same data in multiple places, don't duplicate. On any page, create a linked database view of your master databases. Filter by team, status, or date to give each department a focused lens. You can switch to board, calendar, or timeline views so every group sees their work in the most helpful format. To bring your tools together, open Settings, go to Connections, and connect services like Slack or Google Drive. This keeps files, messages, and docs just a click away. Review access settings to match your workspace policies. Finally, maintain consistency with synced content. Type /sync to insert a synced block for headers, disclaimers, or checklists you want to update everywhere at once. Edit it once, and every instance stays in lockstep. That's your connected Notion workspace. Structured spaces, master databases, smart links, and streamlined views that keep everyone aligned.